Hi guys, welcome to another video. I will show you how to make this emote effect. It's fun and satisfying. Leave a like if you found this helpful. I will leave a link for the model in the description. Once you get the model, follow these steps. Place the overhead user interface and the emote client script inside of starter character scripts. Once you're done, place the emote server script inside of server script service, just like this. And finally, we place the remote event in replicated storage. This is all we need. If you faced some issues, read the script that comes with the model. It contains a guideline that you can follow. Now to the explanation part. This is the overhead script, which makes a clone of the billboard that contains our emote. As we can see the structure of the billboard, then we place it inside of our player. The next script is the main one. We have variables for our player and his character. We also have reference for the billboard, as well as the services like twin service and a remote event to communicate with the server, because we want the emote to be visible to other players. This function is used to twin the billboard. I have already made a video about twin service. It's basically used to animate stuff. The next function is to toggle the visibility of our emote on the server, and we reset the emote once it's displayed. The next function is used to handle the input. If our player press E, then we display the emote, which fires a remote event that makes it visible to all players. Once the effect is done, we bring it back to invisible. On the server, we are making the emote visible to the players and invisible once the effect is finished. As easy as that. Now you have a cool emote effect. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and sub to support me. I put all of my efforts into these systems. I'll keep uploading more amazing systems to help you. Again, thanks for watching and have a nice day.